Nail arts designs provide a canvas for artistic expression. You can experiment with different colors, textures, and shapes, trying out different techniques like stamping, blending colors, and creating amazing designs. Engaging in creative activities like nail arts festival can help you relax and reduce stress. Getting that perfect look with modern dark nail polish takes a bit of skill. The shape of your nails can change the whole look. Oval and almond shapes are elegance. They add elegance, while square or stiletto shapes bring in some edge. Think about your jewelry and outfit. When you have dark nails, silver or metallic accessories can enhance the edginess, while gold or gemstone jewelry can boost the elegance. Modern nail trends include matte and shiny finishes, plus metallic touches. Experiment with these finishes to add depth and interest to your nails. Dark nails are a great canvas for nail art. You can try geometric designs or even delicate flowers patterns to show off your unique style. You should be look unique in your nails polish. Modern dark nail polish isn't just a passing trend, it's a timeless choice for those who want to look elegant, stylish, and a dash of daring. With a variety of different shades to choose from, you can express yourself in many ways, from bold and rebellious to mysterious and romantic. You can choose all of your favorites. Nail designs allow individuals to express their personality, style, and creativity. They not only show your style, they can show your whole personality, which can boost your confidence and make you feel more empowered.